Welcome to Teacher T English!
What English will we learn today?
Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Welcome to my reading class. Today we will do the 7th group of letter sounds in the Jolly Phonics program. Here are all the different groups of letters sounds that you'll be learning. There are 7 altogether. Let's have a look at group 7 now. Here they are. Quack, quack. Ow, ow. Oi, oi, ship ahoy! Ooh, ooh, you and you. Air, air, air. Say R, R. Quack. Ow. Oi. Ooh. Air. R. Well done, that's all of group 7 sounds. Now let's try and write these. Trace along with me. Ow. Oi. Ooh. Air. R. See if you can write them at home. Now let's have another look at the shapes of these letters. Let's match my letters to the sound. Q and U, quack. O and U, ow. O and I, oi. U and E, ooh. E and R, air. A and R, R. Quack, ow, oi, ooh, air, R. Excellent! Now let's have another look at these shapes. Let's make the sounds with Play-Doh. Q and U makes quack. O and U makes ow. O and I makes oi. U and E makes ooh. E and R makes air. A and R makes R. Quack, ow, oi. Ooh, air, R. Excellent. You're so good at saying these sounds now. Let's have a look at the sounds and the actions for each one. The pictures are a clue. Quack, quack, quack. Ow, ow, ow. Oi, oi, ship ahoy. Ooh, ooh, you and you and you. Air, air, air. Goes the mixer. Air, air. R, say R. Excellent! You are so good at all those sounds. Now let's try and use them building words. Quack, e, n, queen. Quack, ick, quick. Quack, d, quid. Quill. Sh, d, shoot. Cloud, cloud. Loud, loud. Oi. Oi, coin. Oi, et, toilet. Oi, coil. Ooh. You, hue. fern. Herd. Ard, hard. Guard. Wow, you built so many words there. And you have practiced the Group 7 Jolly Phonics sounds. Well done! Well done watching this video. Now make sure you go and subscribe now to my channel. Just press the subscribe button. Then you won't miss out on our future videos. If you're interested in learning to read, you can also subscribe to my Mama T Phonics channel, which is also on YouTube. At home, you can also take part in lots of learning for reading, spelling, writing and speaking. Have a look on my Teachers Pay Teachers and Etsy shop. Just search Mama T Phonics.